Are you looking for indoor storage for your motorhome or trailer, boat? I found a place in North Carolina. This is the second place located in central North Carolina. Let's take a look. All right, good selection. Space, plug-in, electrical plug-in. Right off Interstate 40. Looks like there's a outdoor storage as well. But let's check out the rates and if they have any room. It's called Fort Knox Indoor RV Storage off Interstate 40. So here's the scoop. $540 to park inside. Includes the battery maintenance and car wash or RV wash when it needs. Outside with no service, just a lock gate, it's $135. So $540 for indoor parking for 45-foot motorhome. So I'm not promoting this business. I don't get paid for this, but I'm just sending the message out there for people who want to get in the business of doing this, or if you are looking for a place something like this. But even this place is booked and there's a waiting list that you can get on, but apparently there's a huge need for this. So there you have it. If you learn anything in this video, click on subscribe button and watch some of my other RV videos. Thanks.